Let us sit together for a moment, not in body only, but in the stillness of the heart. Imagine, if we will, a garden. Not a garden of exotic flowers or grand fountains, but a simple, hidden garden. It is tended by an old gardener who moves through it with such silence that even the grass does not bend to announce his passing. His steps are quiet, not because he fears to be heard, but because he has learned to listen. This garden is your mind, and the gardener, that is your awareness. The Buddha once said, "Nothing can harm you as much as your own thoughts untrained." But he also said, "Nothing can help you as much as your own thoughts, well trained." In this garden, thoughts arise like seeds, some carried by the wind of habit, some planted by the words of others, some sprouting from the deep soil of your own heart. Most of us, when we see a weed of worry or a thorn of anger, grab it with both hands and pull, only to find we have cut ourselves. We struggle, we fight, we exhaust ourselves in the battle against our own mind. But the gardener of quiet footsteps knows a different way. He does not wage war, he observes. When a weed appears, he does not rage at it. He simply looks at it, its color, its shape, its root, and says, "Ah, so you are here." He does not deny it. He does not water it. He simply watches it, and in the watching, the weed loses its power. It withers from lack of attention, not anger, but presence. This is mindfulness, not the absence of thoughts, but the gentle observation of them, not the silencing of the mind, but the listening to it, with tenderness, with curiosity, without judgment. Now, the Buddha often spoke of the middle way, a path between indulgence and denial. In this garden, the middle way is the path of gentle awareness. You do not cling to the beautiful flowers of pleasant thoughts, nor do you push away the ugly thorns of painful ones. You walk between them, quietly, steadily, with a soft footfall of a mindful heart. Let us practice this now, just for a breath. Close your eyes, if you are able. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool, fresh, new. This is the seed of the present moment. Feel it travel down into your chest. This is the soil of your being. Notice the rise and fall of your belly. This is the gentle rhythm of the garden breathing. Now, a thought comes, perhaps a worry about tomorrow, a memory of yesterday. Do not push it away. Do not chase it. Just say softly, "I see you," and watch it drift past like a cloud across the sky of your awareness. It cannot stay. Nothing stays. This is the Buddha's great teaching, Anicca, impermanence. The garden changes with every season. The flowers bloom and fade. The leaves turn and fall. But the gardener does not weep for the falling petal, nor does he cling to the fading sun. He bows to each moment as it passes, knowing that every ending is a new beginning, every silence a seed of wisdom. So too with your life. The pain you feel today will not last forever. The joy you hold today will not remain unchanged. But the awareness that witnesses both, that is your true nature. That is the Buddha nature within you. Let us take one more breath together. Inhale, knowing you are breathing in. Exhale, knowing you are breathing out. This is the practice, not somewhere else, not someday else. Right here, right now, in the quiet footsteps of your own heart, you are already home. Gardener does not hurry. He has all of eternity in each step, and so do you. May your footsteps be quiet, may your heart be still, and may you walk this earth not as a stranger to yourself, but as a friend to every moment. Go in peace. The garden is always here.